Okay, this is the hat. You have two pieces. This is your top, this is your band. First thing you're going to want to do is fold your ends in 1/4 inch. Then you want to take this, take the curve, and come down 1/4 inch. Just go up to where it starts. And then on both sides. And you want to do that on the bottom. You want to put a 1/4 inch hem along the bottom. You want to take this and fold it even with that top. This is what's making your tie and your headband. Take that all the way across. First thing you want to do is put a hem on this. This is just part of your ties. And it's about 1/4 inch. Then you find the middle of this, just put a little pinch in it. Find the middle of this one, put a little pinch in it, and that's where you're going to start. Put your right sides together. I always start in the middle. I usually keep the curved one on top, but when you do the other side, it's not going to matter. So you just feed it in there. Now you're going to come to where you started this. So just go all the way. I made this now to where it's a 1/4 inch. So you just line that up. Be careful, it doesn't matter if you hit your wet headband. So you should come out even with where you started your 1/4 inch down. And then you do the other side. Come down to where you're even. And just chain off. Okay, so I've sewed the band to the top. If you have a serger or a zigzag and you wanted to, you can go back and go over that. I don't have one, or I'm not going to. And then you turn it. Now you're going to sew the headband in. So you start at the bottom of the headband. And then you just come up, catch the little end of your tail there. Make sure it's under there. this loose stuff under there. This is where you had pre-folded that little curve in. So that's where your tail ended. So that's all inside the headband. You could pull your headband up if you need to. And down. And your hat is complete.